13th question. A man's age is 3 times that of his son, and in 12 years he will be twice as old as his son would be. What are their present ages? So in the question they have given a man's age is 3 times of the son's age, and in 12 years the man's age will be twice as his son. So what are their present ages now? So we need to find the present age of both the father and the son, and we will assume the present age of the son to be x years. So if the present age of the son is x years, then the present age of the man becomes 3x years. So we will make use of the data which is given in the question, that is in 12 years the son's age will be x plus 12 years. Then the man's age will become 3x plus 12 years. So after writing the son's and the man's age in 12 years, we'll equate the expressions 3x plus 12 to 2 multiplied by x plus 12, because in the question they have mentioned that in 12 years he will be twice as old as his son. So solving this we get 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 24. So writing the x terms together we get 3x minus 2x is equal to 24 minus 12. So 3x minus 2x we get x, and 24 minus 12 we get 12. So x is equal to 12, so 3x value becomes 3 multiplied by 12, that is 36. So we got the present age of the man to be 36 years and the present age of the son to be 12 years. Fourteenth question. A man is 42 years old and his son is 12 years old. In how many years will the age of the son be half of the age of the man at that time? So from the question we have man's age to be 42 years and the son's age to be 12 years. So we'll assume after x years the age of the son will be of the age of the man. So the man's age after x years becomes, just add x to 48. So we get 42 plus x years. So similarly the son's age after x years become 12 plus x years. And in the question they have mentioned the son's age to the half the age of the man. So just divide the man's age by 2 and then equate it to the son's age after x years. So that is 42 plus x divided by 2 is equal to 12 plus x. Cross multiplying we get 2 into 12 plus x is equal to 42 plus x. Write the x terms together and the numerical values together and then solve for x. So when we solve this, we'll get the x value to be 18. So hence, after 18 years, the age of the son will be of the age of the man.